Take nuclear power, the biggest source of clean energy. It employs over 60,000 workers, including many of you. The key to meeting the goal of 100% clean power grid by 2035 depends a lot on it. That's why we're keeping existing plants open, restarting shuttered plants, and building America's first new nuclear plants in decades. And we're investing to make sure America leads the way on new technologies like advanced small modular reactors of the future. It also means manufacturing the fuel that's needed to run these reactors. For too long, we've relied on imported uranium to power nuclear reactors. Imports from places like Russia, who we can't trust at all. My administration is working to change all that. We're investing $3.4 billion in producing advanced nuclear fuel right here in America. That the IBEW plant in Southern Ohio has already produced the first 200 pounds of that powerful enriched uranium. The first ever made in America. And it's on track to produce nearly a ton by the end of the year.